What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, loves? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the long-awaited FabFitFun Falls box. Now, y'all know what my situation. I've been having this box, but I just couldn't unbox it until now. So if you guys want to see what we have in the fall box over here, stay right there, boo. It's coming. Oh, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. All right, loves, as I said in the intro, I am Tonyanicole. Welcome, welcome. Today, I'm gonna try something a little different. I'm gonna try to be more zen, more relaxed and calm in this video. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I don't know. I guess it's something different. Who knows? But anyway, my loves, as I said, we're gonna be doing FabFitFun for fall season, my favorite season, well, that and winter. So I hope you guys are ready. Before I go any further, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. Y'all know I appreciate you all. Now, I've been putting out a lot of videos, y'all, like I think every day since the 25th or 24th. So I hope if you have not checked those out that you will. I hope you enjoyed. Your girl been pumping out all these videos. You know, let me know what y'all think. And I do have a drink today. I am drinking on some nice chamomile, I think in lavender or orange tea. So cheers, and let's take a dance break, and a drink break. Ooh. So FabFitFun is a seasonal lifestyle subscription. These are $49.99 each season plus free shipping, or you can sign up for the annual subscription for $179.99. Now, originally I did cancel, but I saw the fall box. I know winter is usually good, so I signed up for the annual again. I know I'm always flipping and flopping, y'all. You're supposed to get 8 to 10 products in this box, premium full-size products with a value over $200. I do think I have a link. I'll put it down below if I do, to save you some money off of your first box. So without further ado, my loves, let's get this box on and poppin'. Boo, a dance break. You know the rest. All right, girl, let's see how I can handle this big old box. So this is how the fall box looks. Let me know if you guys are signed up for FabFitFun. I know it's been like not too good like lately, so I don't know. Ooh, but it's packed. I'm gonna try to show. I can't show y'all the inside, y'all. It's just too much. It's just too much. All right, let's open this little baby up and see what we got, boo. All right, y'all. So once we open it up, right on top is this right here, the little pamphlet. We got a $15 off coupon for FabFitFun. If you refer a friend, there you go, right there. The little monthly brochure that sometimes have prices, but lately they haven't. So I'll look through there and see if I can find some prices. If not, boo, we got the trusty phone so we can get some prices going, so I can let you know if the value is there or nah. Since I know that you guys, you know, probably seen these unboxings 100 times already, we're gonna move pretty quickly through this. I'm gonna just get my phone ready because I already know that they don't have prices in that thing, and I don't wanna be fighting with that all day. So we're gonna get the phone and look up the prices, and then we're gonna be ready, boo. So first up, on the top of the box, we have the trio, the bundle that I chose. And this is the 2 Bandits Cali Cosmetics Hip product bundle. This retails for $67. First up, we have this bath gel from Islands of Italy right here. And you get 237 milliliters of product. Let me try to find this really quick. Take yourself to a sensory getaway to Capri when you lather yourself with this silky body wash. Ooh, it features Italian olive oil and leaves your skin hydrated. It is sealed up, but I'm gonna open it because I wanna. Ooh, it does smell really good. It's no seal right there, but they had a little tape there. Okay, I like this. I did choose this, so it's got a nice little scent, and I could always use like a body wash. So next product is this here. And this is the Hip Products Reusable Lunch Pack. It's flexible material, water resistant, great replacement for plastic bags, and it can be used to store other items in addition to food. This reusable lunch sack rolls down like a traditional paper bag, and it's perfect to pack your snacks. So that's what it looks like, and we're gonna just open it up so that I can see. I'll probably pass this on to one of my nieces because they could use this. All right, that's what it looks like, and that's the back. Have two little straps here, so take it down. Oh, okay, so it's like a nice little lunch bag. And then our last product is this right here, and this is the Bandit 2. Let's see what this is. So this is the tiered catch-all tray. It organizes your rings, necklaces, and bracelets. In this organizers, it has 3 felt-lined trays, and it can be used at your bedside table or on your bathroom countertop. Okay, so let's open this and see. All right, love, so when we open it up, that's what it looks like on the inside, and let's put this somewhere. All right, this is the tray set right here, and it folds out like that. So it's like a 3-tiered tray. These are nice sizes too. It does have this nice little felt liner in the inside. I definitely will, I think I'm gonna use this in my bathroom. I don't know. Let me know what you would do with this. Would you use it for rings or bathroom necessities? I don't know, but I'll find something to do with it. It's very cute though. So those 3 products were all bundled together for $67, it says on here. Let's put out our next product, guys. Next up, we have from True Moringa. This is a Shea and Moringa Balm. There we go, right there. Can y'all see it? All right, this is $24. It says if you're dealing with dry, chapped skin, use this balm to lock in moisture and provide long-lasting protection. All right, so it has SPF in it as well, right? No. All right, that was wrong. So it can be used daily on hands, cuticles, and other dry areas. My hands stay dry, so I have no problem. Oh, it has a seal, guys. So I won't open it up, but yeah, I can always use a hand cream, especially at work. Washing my hands constantly, girl, they get so dry. So this right here is $24. And next up we have from Korres, and this is the Renewing Body Cleanser. Right there. I hope you guys are able to see that. You get 8.45 fluid ounces of product in here. Now, I did not like the fact that I had 2 body like washes to choose from. Like, that just makes no sense to me. But this is a Grape Renewing Body Cleanser. This retails for $19. It says, cleanse your skin with this luxurious foaming shower gel to maintain your skin's natural moisture levels. It helps your skin to feel soft and velvety, and it's made in Greece. Okay, so I mean, I'm gonna use it. It's sealed up. I'm not gonna open it, but I do want FabFitFun to start, you know, having more of a variety. Since it is a lifestyle box, they can do whatever. Sky's the limit. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, now our next product is this right here, my loves. And this is the all-purpose packable backpack from APL. We're gonna open this up really quick so I can see what it looked like. All right, so when you take it out, it's like this little pouch here. You unzip it, and I think it turns into a backpack, right? Yeah, it does. So you unzip it, you can pull out the straps. So once you pull it all out of the little pouch, I do like that. You get this little bag right here. It has a zipper on the top right here for you to put some stuff into there. Also 2 little side pockets. There's a zipper on the back, a zipper up here, a lot of storage space. This is a cute little backpack. I could definitely use this. I love it. I could put my hair care products in this when I'm traveling. Cool beans. Let's see what this is retailing us for. Girl, this is $60. $60? I don't know about that, but okay. So we do have this Dove Advanced Care Deodorant that I think is like a little sample for us. It was just in the box. And next up is from Uncommon James Home Goods. And this is a wood cheese board. Can y'all see that? All right, so it's like a little chopping board. So let's open it. It is sealed. I'm gonna cut it. All right, when we slide her out, ooh, this is nice. This is how it looks. It's a nice little cheese board, or you can use it pretty much for chopping anything that you want. It feels like nice quality wood. I'm excited about this. I actually might use this to make one of those cheese spreads. What you call it? The charcuterie board? I don't know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. With the cheese and the salami and all that good stuff. So we might use this for that. This one is 60 bucks. Okay, but it is nice, like solid wood. I really am happy with this. Really happy. Especially since I may be building a new home. I could definitely take that with me, like, you know, because nobody will be taking no old stuff with them, huh? All right, and now we're to our final product, which is right here. It is the Golden Rabbit Dutch Oven. I think it's like a pot right here. So let's cut this open so that we can see. Did I cut it right? Ugh. This is gonna take 50 years to open, y'all. So once we open up the box, that's what it looks like on the inside. And I thought the pot was bigger than this, girl, for the big old box it came in. Alrighty, so here is the pot. Very cute pot, love that. And this is the little top. I'm gonna take it out of this paper. So you get a 2 little piece like this, and then you can put it like that. Ah, this is so cute. I could use this when I'm making like little soups or, I don't know what you would use this for. I'll probably make this like little soups or like a little pasta or something in here. This is adorable. I really, really like this. And let me get the price on this. This is $44, guys. It's a Golden Rabbit Small Cobalt Swirl Dutch Oven. Cool. So when I added everything up in the box, the value was at $274. We also did have some HelloFresh coupons and something from Nourish in the box as well. Now let's do a little bit of final thoughts. Now, I don't know. Let me count my products really quick. I'll be right back. Hold on, guys. Okay, so I did end up getting 8 products. Final thoughts. See, I know I shouldn't have. I mean, I'm happy I subscribed again because I do love the cheese board. I really love this little pot and the backpack and the tiered tray. But the 2 body washes and the skin balm, the moisture balm, and this lunch bag, like that feels like filler items to me. And honestly, I mean, I thought it was a pretty decent box for fall. I wish they just had a little bit more fall inspired things. Now the little stew pot, that is, and I guess a chopping board, but I don't know, I was just confused and I'm not really getting too many fall vibes. But all in all, I am pleased with most of the products that I received. Do I think it's worth it to get FabFitFun? It depends on the season, honestly. I didn't think that their summer was really good. I didn't think it was good. And another one, I don't really remember. I'll put all the videos down below, but this was just, it was pretty decent. I'm gonna say that, it was pretty decent. So that's all I have. Y'all let me know if you got FabFitFun and what your thoughts are on it. Does it make sense to keep? I don't know, y'all. I like some of the products, but it was just okay for me. I'll give it like a 3.5 out of 5. So it was a pretty decent box. So that's all I have, loves. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Give this video a big thumbs up if this is the content you like from your girl. Don't forget, I have all of my social media linked down below. I will put FabFitFun's link down below as well. I hope you enjoyed this kind of sort of zen video. You know, Tonyanicole just busts out of me all the time. So it was zen for the most part, right? I guess. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I will talk to you in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys dearly. Bye.